Okay, so I'm just watching the television here, but hope the mobile is picking up the daily strange house sounds that come in from all the technical beings playing around and making necessary or unnecessary sounds, depending on how you want to look at it. Just going to use this to fill in the time, to distract myself. Of course, I'm not sure how. That's the TV screen here, so I'm right next to it. But there's mechanical, annoying sounds coming in every day, day in and day out. There's dogs running around the back there because they're mentally disturbed by the jackhammers going, etc., etc. Can you hear the sounds or not? Am I picking up the sounds or am I not picking up the sounds? I'm trying to just diverge all over the place here. There's books, just rolling through books and looking at pictures and just trying to sidetrack from the sound in any way I can. But I think I'll just try to show something, but I don't know what I'm showing. So I won't, you know, I'll probably just try to show something here, you know, late transhuman, androgyne beings of the past, the magnificent ones. Oh, I don't know. Hold on. Oh. Someone I never even met and didn't even know passed that bunny on to me a couple of years ago and I never met them. Maybe they were a real human and I missed the boat, which is also, you know, I'm talking about missing the boat just at a connection level, just at being friendly, not like, say, a future partner or anything real deep or whatever. But this is just... house sound. It's louder when you go up the stairs actually, and there's a bedroom upstairs where I try to sleep. Of course, only silly me tries to sleep and have a nap in the daytime. That's because I'm a night owl. And that's constructed from young too by the environment, where you don't have regular sleep patterns, or you know, they control when you get up, when you go to bed, so that they can always keep you under their program. I'm here. I'm just trying to show that I'm here, but it's about 8:30 in the morning, so they start very early with the sounds coming into the place. Usually is not long after the sun comes up, and it goes for hour after hour. But you wouldn't actually even think that was funny, only that it's like where there's always construction going on right next to you, or somewhere in this small dead-end street to where the house still gets very loud sounds into it from the construction, which is also would be regarded as unusual. That, say, if a house was being renovated a couple of doors away, that I should hear the sound of that construction inside my house. But these constructions here are actually right alongside of me, where they've literally closed in and surrounded me, like they do with their patrol control Android system on the street, where the traffic numbers are, 100 times more vehicles than what need to be coming past you, and big semi-trailers and massive buses, garbage trucks with their bright flashing lights all over them, all making, like this construction, unnecessary loud sound as they go past, as though you've got this road rage traffic around you, and then you've got the patrollers coming into your space and into your line of sight everywhere you look and everywhere within your physical proximity. They don't leave you out of their sight for more than a few seconds. In fact, you don't get their presence, not being the transhuman connection in these androids, into your presence and into your senses. Dogs are getting mentally disturbed by it, just as I am. Just diverging with, filling in time, trying to look and show the demigods of the past, how these transhuman demigods have infiltrated the mind and even the hearts, in a way, at an emotional level of human beings, to where humans think that they are real humans, and in reality they're real, but they're not productive, normal, natural, creative human beings. They are of Lucifer's dark side, sadly. The realisation of this is not always easy to accept or to actually believe, because if you don't want to accept something, then you just dismiss it as not true. And